radio section.
Yo, 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 yo. Check it out. I got a new microphone. Welcome. It's awesome. I'm going to show you guys how to make your vocals perfectly in key. I went to audio engineering school and learned all about vocals. I learned how Melodyne works, how autotune works. And I just want to show you guys the secrets and the tips. Also, I did get this new baby. This is the Maono PD400X. It sounds really nice, really clean. I'm going to show you how it works as well. First, let's get into Ableton. This is the last project from the last Freaky video. We're basically going to record our own vocals for this song. Check out what this sounds like so far.
You don't want no problems, bitch.
Ooh, okay. What I'm going to be showing you is this intro. Basically, I already put vocals in this intro. But we're going to replace these vocals and use some vocals that I did. I'm also going to show you kind of just how we do this live as well. These are the vocals I recorded. Also recorded some humming right here. This is all recorded, by the way, on this microphone. And this is all the post-processing after it. So you see we have Melodyne, which is a really awesome plugin. Probably one of the best plugins, super critical for vocals. What it does is it analyzes what you sang and tells you what notes they're in. And then this program allows you to literally just move the notes of your vocal so that you can move it to the right key. So we're going to get into that. It's really important. First, I kind of want to show you just how to record your vocal. Remember, you go to Command, comma, go to your preferences. Make sure your input is your microphone. This is my interface. And my microphone's plugged into my interface, so that's why we're picking the Scarlett. Then when you make a new audio track and you hit the record button, you'll see we're starting to get signal right here. Make sure that the record button's not on anything else. And then you're good to go. You could put it on auto so you can hear yourself as well. So if we hit the record, hit auto, you can start monitoring your own voice. In the settings, if the buffer size is low, there's no latency. So when I talk, there's no delay from when I talk and what I hear. But if it's high, you're going to hear a lot of latency, so keep that in mind. I'll turn this off for now. I want to monitor. Basically, when I hit this record button up here, the song will play, and I'll be able to record my vocals. Hey, 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 oh, 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 hey, 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 oh, oh. Now, when I play this back, you can hear a, oh, 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 oh. You kind of hear my voice is kind of like moving up and down in pitch, but I'm not a singer, right? I'm not perfect at singing. Most of us aren't. Whenever you hear a singer that's perfect in pitch, you'll be able to tell because it's just straight magic and harmony at its finest. But whenever you don't, then you kind of got to work with the vocals and fix it up. So first, we can get Melodyne. If we get autotune, it will try to tune our voice to the correct notes, as you see here. We'll put it in the key, so we're writing in D minor, which looks like this. This is what the scale looks like. So all these notes are the ones we're using. We're not going to be using these other keys. So when I'm singing, I have to be hitting these notes, basically, so that I match with the rest of the song that's playing in D minor. Autotune's supposed to automatically do this, but if your singing is too off, then it's not going to do it. That's why we use Melodyne to basically make things perfect. Hey, you can hear. Hey, oh, 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 oh. Hey, hey. And you see it's kind of like moving around. These are the notes of D minor. So autotune doing its best. If you're a good singer, autotune will work perfectly and you don't need to use Melodyne. But in my case, we're going to. So if you open up Melodyne, we can go ahead and just hit transfer on this, and then we'll play. Just hit play. A, O, 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 O. A, O, O. I hit stop, and then boom. Melodyne is picking up all the notes that I sang. So basically, I need to make sure that my notes are these notes, not any other notes. Cool thing about Melodyne is that we can basically, I don't even think we have to highlight them. You could just hit settings, or you'll hit edit, quantization macros, correct pitch. We can hit snap to D minor. So this is our key. If it's not showing D minor, your scales are right here. It'll also show you what Melodyne analyzes as well. So you have scales to access. You'll hit quantization macros, correct pitch. If you move this, you'll see it starts to center the notes in the middle of the pitch. Because if you see, I'm singing like in the middle of some notes, so it kind of like moves it to the correct note. So this is really awesome. We'll go ahead and do this. And then the pitch drift, if you see these little lines, this is how much the pitch is drifting to other notes. So you can kind of fix this as well here. We'll go to 100, snap to D minor. See here. We'll snap it to D, hit OK. And now we just need to make sure all these are right. So F, I know F is in the scale, that's good. G is in the scale, that's good. A is in the scale, that's good. B flat. Go ahead and make sure that's in the scale. So B flat is in the scale, so that's perfect. C was another one that we saw. C's up here, this is in the scale. So literally all these notes now are perfectly in key. We can play it back. A, O, 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 O. A, O, O. Nice. We could turn autotune on. Really get it perfect. A, O, 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 O. So this is basically allowing it to move really smooth between the notes. All right, cool. So now that autotune is on, we can simply just add like a loud rack. I have one of these. These loud racks are available in my Gumroad. If you want to purchase my loud racks, those are available for sale. This will basically make it louder. Now this one, as you see here, there's a lot going on. We can kind of remove some of these and just make it a little bit more minimal. OTT really isn't the best on vocals. We can really just get a glue compressor. Then if you get a reverb, you can quickly make a parallel processing if you group it. Duplicate it. We have a dry signal here. And we have a wet reverb signal. So put this at 100%. This all the way down. And we can bring in reverb as we turn this up. O, 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 O. Gonna blend in a good amount of reverb. We're still keeping that dry signal. O, 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 O. And add some delay. Put it on like 4th timing or 8th timing. O, 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 O. O, O. Sick. And then after you have your vocal, you can even pitch it down an octave and make new tones. And analyze it in Melodyne, and it'll get you right. So now we have this, right? This is basically the process I did to make these vocals here. if you heard that humming, that didn't sound right. I hope you could hear that humming was off key. It's not good. So we're going to turn our effects back on. Listen to the humming again. Nice. So, as you can hear, this microphone is pretty amazing off the rip. Low noise floor. Can't really hear any noise as soon as you start it. And it's really nice and pumped. The thing about this mic compared to my other mic is that the other one's more flat response, so you need to do a lot more post-processing to get it loud enough and ready. This one is kind of ready out the box, which is really nice. You have good lows. Sounds nice. I kind of wanted to show you an unboxing of this. They sent this to me. It's only $150, so it's really affordable. I would check it out. The link will be in the description. Check out the unboxing now. This is the Moano PD400X USB podcast dynamic microphone. It's also XLR. I'm currently recording my voice on this microphone with just a little bit of compression. And honestly, I'm pretty impressed with the sound. Everything's sounding good. Very affordable. This microphone features perfect voice in imperfect room. This podcast microphone has a combination of dynamic capsules and cardioid polar patterns that give you the sound you need. You can have confidence that your streaming microphone will reject any unwanted background noise for perfect recordings in imperfect rooms. Personally, when I hooked this up, I didn't need much of a gate. There's a very low noise floor, so it's awesome. This has a unique 3-in-1 digital knob and tap to mute. The broadcast microphone has a 3-in-1 digital knob that you can adjust the mic gain, headphone volume. You can monitor the mix as well. You can touch the mute key, and that has a LED indicator that can help you instantly mute your mic. This features the Maono Link app. You can activate standard mode when connected by USB. Select your preferred vocal tone and distance from the podcast microphone within the application. You can choose advanced mode to adjust mic gain, monitor mix, EQ, limiter, compressor, and more. This features USB or XLR output. The dual mode USB or XLR microphone is a plug and play when connected by USB. An XLR analog output for connecting to all professional interfaces like a mixer or a portable PA system. This does have a durable metal construction. It's rugged and professional. All metal construction provides outstanding reliability. As you'll see in the unboxing, it's very heavy, well made, and I'm quite impressed with the build quality. So this is awesome. I'm happy to be using it. Okay, perfect. I hope you guys liked that unboxing. This is the new Moano PD400X. In the description, you can get the discount code as well as the link so you can purchase it off Amazon. I do have racks available for sale, and I have all my projects in my Patreon. You guys can get that. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day. Stay fresh. Leave some comments if you want more. Later.